Hello, we're introducing Tilly's puppies. This is Mr. Lime. He is a red boy, very handsome, nice smooth coat. Next is Mr. Orange. This is Mr. Orange. It's a beautiful frosted apricot coat. Mr. Blue. Mr. Blue is a light apricot, probably going to be an apricot cream. A little wiggle worm right now. And a very smooth coat. And next is Mr. Yellow. Mr. Yellow is an apricot. Very smooth coat. Sweetie. And those are the 4 boys. Then we have the girls. Miss Pink Stripe. Miss Pink Stripe is a red, very smooth coat. Very sweet little girl. Next is Miss Teal Stripe. Miss Teal Stripe is going to probably be a cream like her mommy, have some red highlights. And she was just eating, so she says, "Excuse me, why did you take me away?" This is Miss Teal. And the last one is Miss Black. I have to find her. There she is. Miss Black is going to be an apricot. Very smooth coat. Very sweet little girl. And that's all the puppies. And Tilly, say hi.